Let's learn how to do weight state analysis. Hi there, this is Pinal Dave and I welcome all of you to this another episode of SQL in the 60 second. Quite a lot of time people ask me how do I do weight state analysis. Well, that's such a wide subject that I cannot cover everything in a single video. But today I'm going to cover a very simple first step for you. Here on the screen, I have a script which will collect weight statistics of your server. The link to download the script is in description. Now, once you run the script, it will show weight statistics of your server. Now, once you collect weight statistics, there are three things you can do. First, you can do analysis yourself. There are few weight statistics which are troublemaking. You can go to description of this video and there I have written details about how you can fix various troublemaking weight statistics. You can do this yourself. Method number 2, you can take these weight statistics and send me email. I will respond back to you in 12 hours with what can you do to fix this troublemaking weight statistics. Method number 3, once you get weight statistics, you can go online and ask questions at various forums. As these weight statistics do not collect any private information about your data, you can safely post them on internet and get various suggestions. Well, that's it for today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you soon in another episode of SQL in the 60 seconds.